Welcome to Greenads Global. In this video, we will show you how to create your own WhatsApp no-code chatbot using our platform. Let's get started. With a no-code chatbot, you can create a chatbot without any coding skills. Simply use pre-built templates and drag and drop interfaces to make your own chatbot quickly and easily. First, go to the dashboard and select Chatbot Builder. Here, you can see all your existing chatbots or create a new one. You can enable and disable your chatbots here. Click on the Create New Chatbot button to get started. Give your chatbot a name and some keywords that your customers commonly use. Then click Next button. This is the Chatbot Builder dashboard. On the left-hand side you can see text, image, video, document, and interactive buttons. From the menu select text. Please fill in the text column as reply for your keywords and select the reply type to text to continue chat. To add buttons to your message, select interactive chat. Type a header name for your message. And type then body of your message. Please type the footer part of your message. Like. Reply stop to unsubscribe. After that, click on Add Buttons. Type the name of the buttons you want to add. Like WhatsApp API, SMS, Google RCS. After that, click on Text to reply for the end message. Type in the thank you message. Do not select the reply type for the end message. After that, connect the chats according to the order that you want. Then click on Create Chatbot button. Your chatbot is now successfully created. Tap on Enable button to activate your chatbot. Now let's check how our chatbot works. Please choose the keywords and replies according to your customer's needs. You can also use images, videos, and documents in your chatbot messages. Interact with your customers all day using our no-code WhatsApp chatbot. For more details, contact Greenads Global.